This is Saint Kitts and Nevis. Saint Kitts and Nevis is a two-island country in the Caribbean and is the smallest nation in the Americas, both in area and population. The craziest thing about Saint Kitts is that you can get citizenship as far as you buy a real estate for $200,000 US. By the way, in this country you can find Mount Liamuiga, a volcano located in the western part of the island of Saint Kitts. And guess what? I decided to venture there. So the trekking just started. It's not very difficult, it's just that it's very muddy because it was raining the previous days and it should take around 2 hours to reach up, so let's see. So guys, you will not believe, people for fun, they built this face. Have a look here. They put the head, the nose, face, eyes. Yeah, well, they want to have fun while hiking maybe, yes? So for your information, this trek is not dangerous, and despite you are in the jungle, there are not many animals, just monkeys, mongoose, so yeah, it's safe, you can do it. Now, you might wonder, how does the volcano look from above? Well, this is the view.